we have found strength and unity as a planet. And now
You're so fast. Okay, recruits, thank you for waiting. Alright, okay, all in. Okay. Sorry guys, move forward please, move forward. Okay guys, you guys ready to start briefing? Yeah! Oh, okay. Okay, hi, welcome to the Aerospace Defiance Center. New recruits, our missions begin with this. The recovered AI sphere, a mysterious alien artificial intelligence. Through analysis of this object, another captured technology from the alien invasion of 2016, the ESD team has made a critical advancement in human-alien hybrid technologies. The development of Star Tower's wormhole generator allows research and defense teams to travel at faster than light speeds to anywhere in the galaxy. The Flying Command Center can transport research and defense teams virtually anywhere to explore the mysteries of the universe, to detect and investigate any alien threat, and, if necessary, coordinate a full-scale defense against an actual alien attack. Recruits, he has also been equipped with alien hybrid force field generator, which makes it virtually indestructible. And now, may I introduce the man behind these technological wonders, the center's head of research and development, and your pilots for today's missions, Max.
Hi, welcome to the ESD Research Center. Now, much of the technology you've seen today is based on what we've learned from the alien specimens kept at this facility. I get daily reports from our deep space surveillance network, which warns us of any suspect activity in the...
Max.
Hold on, recruits. I'm getting an urgent signal near the rings of Saturn. I'll be right back.
Okay, Max, I'll take over. Sorry about that, folks. Okay, what Max was about to show you is this. Okay, don't be alarmed. Our alien friend here has been placed in a deep-induced coma and poses no danger. The ESD has been studying this living alien to help us understand our enemy from the inside out, to learn how he thinks and how he sees the world. No. Max!
What's going on?
Let's go ahead!
I think the signal from Saturn is agitating our alien friend. Administer them those with anesthesia to calm him down.
Let's take it away! So we got now?
Okay. The signal, it's coming from an unidentified source near Titan, one of Saturn's moons. And based on the energy reading, it's a small, unmanned probe broadcasting a message that keeps repeating. Recruits, this is the perfect opportunity for you to experience firsthand what the Flying Command Center can really do. We need to get up there, and fast, to inspect and identify that signal. Report to the loading area, I'll meet you there. And welcome to the ESD Research and Technology Center.
Okay, recruits, you heard Max say, please go to the chairway now and save the world! Go! Good night, recruits!
Before you enter the Flying Command Center, please watch our safety video first.
All recruits, please pay attention to the following safety instructions. As you board the spacecraft, please move to the end of your row before taking a seat. Secure any loose clothing or scarves and do not leave long hair exposed. Place all loose articles in the storage bags located under each seat. Please ensure that your restraints are properly fastened and secured. Sit back put the belt through the center yellow strap, then buckle the belt. To release it, press the button on your left side. During flight operations, always remain seated upright and please hold on to the armrest. This is it. Our mission is to go. To investigate, analyze, and possibly capture the alien probe. Don't worry. We have fighter escort, and should there be any trouble, remember, the Flying Command Center is virtually indestructible. Let's do this for the future of Earth.
This way.
Good news, recruits! Looks like you're taking the Wormhole Express after all. I'm transmitting coordinates to the Star Towers for our mission to Titan. We are good to go. Recruits, this is the main underground hangar of the ESD. Just a small part of our growing fleet here at the command center in Kuala Lumpur.
Mission to Titan, proceed to launch pad. You're on deck with Wolf.
Next-gen hybrid fighter prototype 2, fully armed and ready to come to our defense. Say hello to our squad leader, Wolfman.
Don't worry, recruits. We got your back. We will rendezvous with our fighter escort topside.
Thanks, Wolfman. We are ready for you to guide us through the wormhole generator.
Follow me.
Roger.
Watch that space tower. Proceed on course 227 to Star Tower. Mission to Titan. Good luck.
Falling, pilot.
What a view! Recruits, have you ever seen Kuala Lumpur like this before? Coordinates to Titan are locked and loaded.
All systems are go. Prepare to launch.
Engage wormhole generator.
Wormhole generator at full power.
Okay, prepare for jump to hyperspeed. Welcome to Saturn, folks. What the? That's no probe.
Shields up.
Force field generator activated. Wait a second, I'm detecting no signs of life. I think it's abandoned.
Let's take a look.
After you.
Okay. Back formation. Everybody stay alert. We're going in.
We're inside a destroyer-class attack ship. The power core's been shut down. No wonder we couldn't read his energy signal from Earth. Wait, those are bioluminescent life forms. My scan should have picked them up.
Unless your scan was jammed.
That makes no sense. It's a trap!
What's the deal, Bravo?
Multiple targets. 1d6.
Time to shatter and pick your target. We got lots of gold black.
Watch that front fire.
Let's get out of here. I'm taking it slow. Hold on.
Lay out your cover fire. Where are you, Max? Going to a hornet's nest. Max, where are you?
We're okay for the moment. Strike that. I will run right in front of you. Wolfman, our shields are being jammed. He's firing up his weapons.
Coming back. I'll keep the bug boy occupied, but you, get out of here.
We'll never make it. We've got to reach the central core and destroy it.
How?
I can identify the target, but only you have the tech to take it out.
A hybrid torpedo.
Affirmative. That should solve the problem.
Let's move.
Central core, dead ahead.
Powering up.
That's it, Wolfman. Line it up.
Get away.
up an alien signal. Something came back through the wormhole.
He's right in front of us.
How's the back, little boy?
Ben, you're back.
I said I had you back. Nice going, recruits. Not bad for your first mission.
Not bad. I think we just saved the planet. Congratulations, recruits. Today is your Independence Day.